Okay, got to the top, and now we will start the ride down. Here's the top. Y necesitamos the same amount of caution going down, if not more, than coming up. Especially if it's been raining. Un pueblito aquí. Green, green, green. Up here on the left is the perfect place for a little beer store. Yeah, you heard me right. Beer store. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the view this guy's got. Look at the view. Look at the view, man. Finca Los Miradores. Little pulperia up here on your left-hand side. Pulperia Miramar. Somebody's done something with their little lot up here. Maybe their big lot up here. Up here on your right-hand side, perfect weekend getaway spot. Okay. And up and out of Miramar.